Hello children, this is class 8 moral science class. In the previous class we have done chapter 1 reverence towards God. Now today we are going to start chapter 2 God is one. So dear students, let us start this chapter. Worshipping God is the duty of mankind. Worshipping refers to the mode of expressing one's belief in God. People all over the world practice different religion which have different name as well as different way of worshipping God. A religion is a fundamental set of symbols, beliefs and practices agreed upon by a group of people. This belief involves some devotional and ritual observances. A religion has a moral code which govern the conduct of human affairs of that particular religion. Hinduism, Christianity, Sikhism, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, etc. are the different religions practiced in India. All over this religion have a different set of belief and religious practices. However, the basic teaching of every religion remains the same. That is, a person should realize his self, perform good deeds, love his fellow beings, and be devoted to God so as to attain happiness and peace of mind. Try to learn from the following quotes. First, the eyes of the Lord are on the righteous and his ears are attentive to their cry. Second, turn yourself not away from three best things: good thought, good word, and good deed. Selfish action imprisons the world. Act selflessly without any thought of personal profit. Before becoming a Sikh, a Muslim, a Hindu, a Christian, let's become a human first. No one know what is kept hidden for them as a reward for their good deeds. The basic teaching of the religion are same because God is one. People of different religions call him by different names and worship him in different ways. Dear students, here is a very beautiful story given. Let's see this story. The Mughal Emperor Akbar and his wise minister Birbal were strolling in the palace garden. While walking, Akbar said to Birbal, "Last night my mind became perplexed with the thought that is it really true that God is one? We call him Allah, Christian call him Jesus Christ, Sikh call him Waheguru, and Hindu worship many gods and goddesses and call them Bhagwan. So how come God is one?" Birbal replied, "Your Majesty, God is one, but he has different name like Allah, Jesus, Waheguru and Bhagwan. I can accept your argument only if you prove it," replied Akbar decisively. "I shall prove it now and here only," said Birbal in an enthusiastic way. Birbal clapped his hand and signaled a guard to come towards him. When the guard came there, pointing towards his own turban, Birbal asked, "What is this?" The guard replied, "Headgear." After hearing his answer, Birbal sent him away. Then Birbal opened his turban and wore it as towel around his waist. Like earlier, he called another guard. He pointed towards the cloth around his waist and asked, "What is this?" "It is a towel," replied the guard. On Birbal's signal, he went away. Next, Birbal opened the towel and wore it as a dupatta across his shoulders. He then called another guard. Pointing towards the dupatta, he asked, "What is this?" "It is a shawl," replied the guard and went away. Birbal turned to Akbar and said, "Your Majesty, You have seen how the same piece of cloth was called by different names by different people. The name of a thing changes with the change in its location and the change in the view of person. Moreover, Moreover, just as cloud, steam, and ice are different form of water, in the same way Allah, Jesus, Vaheguru, and Bhagwan are the different form of one God. Akbar smiled at Birbal and said, I am proud of you. You have successfully proven the point. Now I realize that the ultimate fact is God is one. Children, we should realize that every religion has its own perceptions of God. God is like the central point towards which all the religions are approaching by following different ways. As such, if you have true reverence towards God, you should be tolerant and loving towards people of all the other religions. You should follow the principle of universal brotherhood and live in peace and harmony with all. You should not consider other religion as inferior. You should show full respect and tolerance towards the religious belief, culture, and tradition of every other religion. You should not discriminate people of the basis of on the basis of religion. You should believe that all religions are equal as they pray to the same Almighty. So, dear students, we should respect each other. All the human beings are created or made by the same God. So, today this much only. We will see the next topic in the next class. Thank you and take care.